Hello, everyone. Welcome to Connect Conversations. It's a series of discussion wherein we will connect with various people from Central India who are excelling in their respective fields and through their unique ideas, services, products are helping put the central states on national as well as international map. And today we have with us Mr. Sri Srivastava, who is the host of Greenfields Villa, a private vacation rental home based out of Bhopal, capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Hello, sir. Welcome to MP Connect, and thank you for being part of Connect Conversations.
Thank you so much for having me. And hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm keeping well. Thank you.
I sincerely hope that you and your loved ones are keeping safe and doing well in these current times.
Yes, absolutely. I hope you are safe too, and everyone is
Yes,
safe
yes,
too
we
at
are.
your
Thank
place.
you so
Yeah.
much, sir. Yes, we are.
The time
Thank
is
you.
really tough these days.
It's
Yeah.
very tough for all of us. Yes.
Uh,
I sincerely hope you all keep safe.
yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So, we are very excited to know more about Greenfields. But before that,
Yes.
what I would like to know that who is the person behind Greenfields? Like, what is your story and what is your MP Connect?
So my MP Connect is that I was born and brought up in Bhopal.
Oh,
I did my college education, school education from here. Then I am from advertising and filmmaking, so I have my company over here as well. And so yeah, that is my MP Connect, and yeah, this is my place. This is my hometown. Yeah,
okay, great, great, great.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
what inspired you to start Greenfields? Like, how did you stumble upon the idea of opening a private vacation home with a farm view specifically in Bhopal?
So the idea was that there were not many places like these in Bhopal, and this was a thing that is like in Goa or in like all of these places in like probably Bombay and Pune के बीच में जो area होता है.
जी,
You find all of these private places there, and Bhopal had some of them, but like this was a ये sector अभी भी बहुत खाली था.
mm-hmm.
Not everyone was into this, and since I had this place which had like some facilities, उसमें थोड़ा बहुत और ऐड करके उसमें अपने हिसाब से what I wanted to give in that, वहाँ से वो आइडिया को bits and pieces में इकट्ठा करते हुए then I realized कि I should open up something that people have not seen here. वो options वाला this industry of like private rental property, इस वाले industry में ज़्यादा नहीं है कोई, so I wanted to get into that. And yeah, that's how I landed upon this idea. Yeah.
Picking up that point of yours, ki, no, like not many homestays or like properties like these are present in Madhya Pradesh or so. So that's what I wanted to know. Like all these properties, like private home vacation properties, are present in Maharashtra, Punjab, and southern states of India. Like they have been popular, extremely popular from many years now. And you have
Yeah.
recently, like, they are coming up in a big way in Madhya Pradesh now, but comparatively a new idea still. So what is your take on the perception of customers, like people who visit you, like people who are coming to Central India and they are staying in homestays? What do you think has been their perception? Have they been positively receptive to this idea of homestay?
So essentially, what I'll tell you is that if people are coming from outside of MP, they generally choose to stay in a resort or a hotel,
Right.
because if they so MP is essentially covered with all the jungles and all, right?
True.
So उधर पे MP government का already बहुत सारे resorts and hotels they have made it. So there is a difference between the customer coming from outside, and there is a difference between just the local customer. They want to go out and they want to go out for a weekend stay or for an overnight thing. वो वाला options बहुत कम है. So for people who are like from जैसे since I'm from Bhopal, and Bhopal से 200 to 50 kilometers में जो cities हैं, people from all of these places they are very excited about places like these,
Oh,
because they want to go, they want to come and they want to take their private property, and they want to be there without the tension of like especially in these times, because infection का बहुत डर रहता है. So for those people it's nice, but for people who are coming from outside MP, usme I think it will take some time कि
okay.
people are receptive, that people are coming outside from like a lot of people come from Gujarat and Nagpur,
Okay.
right? क्योंकि इधर से बहुत आता है. But all of those people, they they either come in a group or so, or they go to all these places like Pachmadi and all of this. तो वो भोपाल तक आते आते, they will say, take some time. It will be there, but yeah, the process will be gradual, but
Right.
it will happen. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Right. So what, like you just said that, you know, majority of people who visit in greenfields in your case would be like people with intracity, people who are living in Bhopal but looking for a break from their normal routine, and they want a change and they cannot travel very far. You know, they just want to spend a day or two. And also people within 250 to 300 kilometer, like they are very excited about such property. So,
Yeah.
so what is a unique experience, or you know, kind of activities that Greenfield offers that, you know, the visitors who come there can indulge in? Like, what is unique about it, Greenfields?
So the first thing that is unique about this place is that we only serve one customer at a time. That's our USP. And then after जब कोई भी customer इधर पे आ जाता है, then we have like lots of activities like sports or recreational activities as such. We have board games for children. We have a pool, and then we have a television. So essentially, we have made this place in a way कि यहाँ पर आके अगर if the people want to come and stay, they have little bit of activities they can indulge in, playing board games or card games, or they can jump into the pool, chill around pool area, or they can chill in the garden or so. And and one of our main USPs are view, because just behind our property, I can't show you because it's night and it's so but there is this view, पूरा field view है इधर पे. So that is our USP. People come and people love it as soon as they see it. So yeah, these are all our USPs. Main USP ये है कि अभी especially in these corona times, कोई भी आता है, they want to be safe. They want to, you know, they want their own space. They don't want any other customers. हमारे जो employees हैं, there are only few employees. One is cook, one is our manager, housekeeper. Okay, so and we make sure that our staff is safe, so that we can cater guests as well. So yeah, this is our USP, that we only serve one customer at a time.
Okay.
And we try to give them we try and we will try to give them facilities like resort, or they go into a resort and they get all those things in their home, as I can say.
Basically, just providing a homely environment, but in a different setting. Like people are comfortable.
Yes.
They feel like they are
Yes.
at home, but it's a very different experience that they get.
Yeah,
Right.
because
So-
and also I'm so sorry, but
No,
because
it's okay.
I just felt one thing, because after this corona thing,
Yeah.
because since we are into this and we will get out of this, the emotions and the sentiments of people will change.
True.
You and I, or like people like us, used to go out and stay for a weekend at a resort or so, but now all of us are now we are afraid of going out. I can talk about myself, that I used to go to Goa, or probably to all these hilly areas. Only there I used to go to all these homestays or rental villas or so. उसके अलावा generally कोई जाता नहीं. Generally people go to all the resorts. But now after this, I think emotions of people will change, and they will try to come into all of these kinds of property.
Great. So like so this is a private villa, right? So it will have a basically, like, they have bedrooms, you have a garden views, you will also have a kitchen. So what I wanted to know is, because usually what I have seen from my personal experience, like people usually who opt for homestays or farm stays as their travel accommodation, they encounter a bit of problem with their food arrangements. Like sometimes the host, they provide you with breakfast, but that is, I think, in a very rare case. If they provide, it's okay. But usually food arrangement is a bit of an issue. So what is your setup like? Do the customers, like the customers, can they cook their own food in the kitchen, or do you provide a cook, or you outsource the whole catering? Like how does it work at Greenfields?
So at Greenfields, we have the entire setup for our kitchen, where we serve all Indian, continental, and Chinese food, veg, non-veg, both. So we have made an elaborated menu कि जो आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं और वट एवर यू गेट इन कैफे like pastas, pizzas, nachos, or from that to butter chicken and to all those things. So we try to give all the food to our customers from our own kitchen. We started our kitchen like 3-4 months back. उससे पहले initially जब वो COVID times था तो uh, half of the time it was shut because of lockdown, and then when after things got started, I used to tell customers that you can bring in your own food. We have microwave oven and induction heater. But then after that, when things got like real better with Corona, then I introduced many food over here. तो अब उससे यहाँ पर I try to give all kinds of food to people, जिसमें कि हम लोग सिर्फ स्टे के लिए, अगर कोई स्टे में कर रहा है तो हम स्टे के लिए भी करेंगे, और इफ समवन वांट्स टू throw a party over here, if they want to rent this villa and they want to throw a party, हम उन लोग we can cater till 250-300 people as well. So we have the entire setup for that. So yeah,
like,
that's that.
Okay. So that's what I wanted to know. Like after Corona and like in general, also now people have, they have started opting for more intimate gatherings. So be it birthdays, anniversary, even sangeets or mehendis, also corporate events and outings. People tend to move towards intimate gatherings, like in a closed space, small space. So farm stays or like home stays, these private villas have become a very viable option for that. So do you believe that this multi-utility factor, like you just said, that we will give out for travel accommodation, that is okay, but anybody who wants to host a private party, they can do that as well. So that point, that multi-utility factor, that is essential in current times commercially, like for you.
It is because see, we have made a place that is available for any customers, and we can cater from 2 people to 300 people.
Right.
And since the times are changing, people want their more intimate weddings. Some of them want something different from normal resorts or so. Especially youth wants to do their sangeet event or a cocktail event, or they want to do something in a private space. Now the advantage is that after this COVID thing, people will want that thing more. And what we try is we try to serve all kinds of people. If a corporate wants to come, we can serve that. We have done several conferences as well. We keep on doing sangeet, mehendi, and cocktails and small fairas. So yeah, that is absolutely necessary for for commercial thing, because that's how we'll grow. That's how we'll try to introduce new things into our setup. And because see, one thing is that since we do not give our place to 2 customers at a time, the monetary part, of course, we need more commercials to to grow, because for a day I can only give my property to the people, a number of people जिन्होंने लिया हुआ है, उसके अलावा मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So for monetary reasons, for all those reasons, people हमने तो we have provided the place for that. And also customers भी अब post corona, they also want to come into all of these places. So definitely
लोगों का reception काफी positive रहा है, लेकिन मतलब people have demanded कि we want such intimate surroundings, like
yes.
People of Bhopal or in central India are looking for such places now. There is a demand.
Yes, absolutely. There is a demand. There will be more places like these. There have been some places like these. I know that there are some places who are getting open in near future. Okay. So people will get into all of these things, because I think it's a new age thing. It had to come at some point of time, and might as well I started it. So yeah, that's how.
Great,
yeah.
Great, sir. So, sir, talking about COVID, we cannot escape that. Last year and this year, ongoing onslaught, like the curveball that it has thrown at all of us, is really bad. Everybody was affected. So I'm sure Greenfield must have also bear some impact of it. So
yes.
How did you tackle the challenges that came with it? Like, how did it impact you, and what were the challenges that you faced? And how are you tackling them still?
So the impact was that because of lockdown and because of everything, the place was shut, because there were no we can't do anything commercial over here. And yeah, that was going on, and well, it's still going on. I cannot say that it has gone, but it is Bhopal has still has lockdown. So it is going on, but till now everything has been safe. We have been safe, and yeah, the the thing is that it is something that everything is beyond our control. We cannot do that. All we can control is our people. I can take care of my employees. I can take care of the people who come over here. Yeah, that's because uske alawa there is nothing we can do, especially in these times and especially in this second wave. Yeah, so we are waiting patiently. We are waiting for this time to get over.
True.
We had plans to do a lot of things, but since plans can wait, right now jaan hai to jahan hai.
True.
And so yeah,
That's so true.
so that is, we are waiting for this time to pass, and of course then we'll jump back again.
Right.
And we'll continue with our thing.
Great, great. And so,
Yeah.
so coming to the growth, like now, since there have been so many factors, like okay, it is a comparatively new concept, then Corona came, then everything, but people have been positively receptive to the ideas of a vacation rental in Madhya Pradesh. How do you see it growing in future, especially when it comes to Central India, or in your case in Bhopal? Like, what kind of future do you envision for such properties and such accommodations? How positive are you for their growth?
So what I see is that the growth will be gradual,
Okay.
but growth will be gradual, but it will be always escalating, right? Because it it will be slow. It will, because as you said that people are now receptive towards places like these. After this COVID thing, when this second wave will go away, or when in between second wave and third wave, people will try to come to all of these places. I have been promoting this place. I've been doing marketing for these places, that especially these, that you can come here, you can be safe around all of these places. So that is how I think that in realistically we can grow. We can grow step by step, because I have plans. We have plans to grow. We have plans to make some, add on some more features, more recreational activities, or more. There are more things, but right now what I can see is that growth will be there. It will be escalating, but it will be like gradual. It will be slow, and it will be moving. And because see, the thing is that these all of these ideas are new, and Bhopal is a place that यहाँ पर till the time people don't receive a new idea, till the time they didn't see it outside. अभी वो बाहर जाके इंदौर में, या वो वहाँ देखेंगे, दिल्ली में देखेंगे, बॉम्बे में देखेंगे, कहीं भी देखेंगे, then they'll realize कि हाँ, इधर पे आओ, वो चीज चलती है. So Bhopal का most of the crowd, they have gone abroad. Most of the people know what is Airbnb. They have lived there. So it is, it will be there. We just have to wait for this Corona to pass, and of course, growth will be there. There is, after this thing, a lot of people want to come to places like these, and that's uske karan. I think the industries like these, small places like these will, according to me, will function more than middle range hotels or something, because I personally, I won't go to all these places where I don't feel safe anymore.
True.
Right. It's right now it's about survival. So it's about survival. So I think because of survival thing, we will have benefit, because we only cater one client at a time, and because of that, people will feel safe. They want to feel safe, and that's the only thing. That's our own whole goal. We will never take two customers at a time. We will always deal with one customer, because we don't want to make something that is already been existing outside this place, right? We wanted to give something new कि इधर पे ऐसा concept पे चीजें ना आए.
Right. Great.
So yeah.
So like, it brings me to this question, that what are your plans for next 2 years? Like, where do we see Greenfields in next 2 years then? If everything, if the surroundings get better, right? Of course.
So right now we have been promoting our place. We have introduced our kitchen, so we are promoting our kitchen right now. We are on promotions. You can see it on our Instagram page or Facebook page. We are getting into that. That is how right now we are growing. That at least we should tell people that we are here now, and we'll try to cater you. After this point, as I said, we have certain plans to. Uh, but अब वो है कि after this wave, after this thing, ही अब कुछ चीज वो कर सकते हैं. But definitely we'll grow. We'll try to bring in more activities. We'll try to bring in more things that people need, people want from us, and we'll try to improve our services. That's the main goal right now. That's our main goal. That's our main thing. Then after that we'll see. You'll see. I hope that you'll see more of Greenfields in near
Of
future.
course. We wish that too,
Yes.
sir. All right. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for taking out time and sharing your experiences and views with us. It was a very interesting conversation, very insightful. I'm sure the viewers now must have gained, all our viewers must have gained a new understanding and a perspective on the uniqueness that a farm stay or a private homestays offer, especially in
Yeah.
central India.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we wish you and the whole team of Greenfields very best for all your future endeavors. And
Thank you so
that you
much.
connect with every traveler that visits Bhopal and become the most sought
Yes.
after destination in the city. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We hope that too.
all right. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.